Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb Peugeot 208. This is the Allure Premium specification, which boasts a lovely panoramic glass roof as well as a colour reversing camera. But outside the car you've also got 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower and it's only done 2,500 miles. If this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.